How we doing, friends? Florida History Hunter, and we're deep in the muck. I was having a chat with a friend. Kept telling me that there's a spot that he's been wanting to explore, and truthfully, I've been driving past this area for a long time, like 2.5 decades. Never even noticed it before. So decided to come out here today and give it a looky-loo. And what a mess. How we doing, my friends? You're Florida History Hunter. And we're walking this dirt road right here. I think this is part of the Lake Woodruff Park. Just taking it up a little bit, and I was just, kind of curious of why there's this big opening right here. Is that something that they harvested trees out and then didn't replant that one area, which is a possibility. Just kind of exploring a couple of spots that I've driven by for many years and never really had the opportunity to just get out and check it out a little bit. So, Florida History Hunter, enjoying the last day of the month, November. Finally woke up to a nice brisk morning here in Central Florida. 40 degrees. Thank you very much. It's a gorgeous day. I actually had to layer up a little bit, which I even do in the summertime. People are always bewildered when I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt in the summer, but I keep telling them, when you're out in the woods, you need that extra protection. You need to layer up a skosh. So there's a split in the path here, and we're going to go on the old trail. You see they haven't been maintaining this one. The other one's nice and wide. And I've seen down at the northern end of the excuse me, on the northern end of Lake Woodruff Wildlife Refuge, that they actually seed those dirt roads for the wildlife. I don't know what kind of grass they put down, but it seems like the deer like to munch on it. I had expected to see heavy rooting in here, not just like little stuff that you get when you have possums and armadillos. That's kind of what I think what's going on right here. It's not the heavy duty rooting that one sees. So this road is actually slowly turning into swamp. Oops, sorry, birdie. That kind of stuff's dangerous. You're stepping into on account of the snakes. They're cold night like last night. They'd be burrowed down really deep into that kind of stuff. So I suspect that our road's right there, but I'm seeing it starting to get muddy on the bottom. Let's see what's going on. We're gonna come in. Cypress knees. Here's our road right here. It's just heavily overgrown with palm trees. I think we reached the end, but this is kind of cool because there's big ass trees all over, and we can do a little history hunt up underneath of it. If we get over to it. Safely. Okay, we're getting close. Okay, here we are. Look, somebody's dog toy. Silly little plastic ball floated in here. All I'm seeing is dirt. Dirt and roots. I'm not seeing any rock. I'm not seeing any artifacts. Something right there though. Just plain old ordinary dirt. Alright, well. Plain old ordinary dirt means that there was no people at this spot anyway. Nope. But we do know that less than a quarter mile northwest of us, out that way, and that way, and down that way, and out that way, pretty good clip, there were people. Some spots for thousands of years. Okay, my friends, we're gonna call it again in this spot, and thanks for watching. Click that like button down below right there. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Thanks for watching. Tell your friends about it. Have a great day.